The fast, simple, and easy way to create great webinars is exactly what I'm doing to create all of these videos here. So all I'm doing is the audio part of it. Now, granted, I'm only showing one slide here, which is really lazy. But every few minutes, another slide could pop up, or every couple minutes or whatever. Somebody can go back. We use a company called Rev, R-E-V. They may be out of business by the time you get this, but, there's plenty of places that can take your audio and turn it into a printed transcript for dirt cheap. We pay $1 a minute right now. By the time you listen to this, it could be a lot less. So you just focus on the audio. Focus on the audio, go through the transcripts, create a few slides. That's it right there. You don't have to go fancy. It's fast, it's simple, it's easy, and you can train your customers that that's the way you do it. So, a lot of people want to watch webinars, but they're listening to them or watching them on their phones anyway. And with audio, you can just be yourself and focus on what you want to say. Go back later and have somebody else create the slides or whatever. It's what I do. It's fast, simple, easy. We do a lot of audio recordings. That's our main thing anyway. We don't even do webinars, but when we do, we just take one of our audio recordings and we put a few screens up there, and that's it. You don't have to spend all this time trying to get everything right. That's especially if you're working a group of customers and you're staying in constant communication with them over and over and over again. Just create a ton of audio, and they can listen to the audio. If you want to put it in an MP4 video format, do what I'm doing here. It's fast, it's simple, it's easy. You can create a lot of things, and the main thing is that you're trying to reach out to people and giving them the best you have, and that is absolutely what's most important here, is that you're delivering the best possible quality that you can deliver, so that even if people don't like everything about what they're hearing or whatever, they still appreciate and respect the fact that you're trying to give them the best you can. Which is again, that's just, I'm giving it to you the way we do it here. So, we do our very, very, very best. Some people love it, some people don't love it, but even the people that don't love it still have some respect in the end, or appreciation for the fact that we're really trying to deliver the best we know how to deliver. So, I see so many people that and I've done it too. I've spent so much time trying to perfect my sales messages. Way too much time. And in the end, it's just been a waste of time, because the bottom line is you do your best and you try to do as much of it as you can, rather than just trying to get one system that's all fully automated and spending months sometimes or weeks or whatever. It's better just to just have something, good enough is good enough. That's the bottom line. That was taught to me by one of my mentors. Good enough is good enough. You give it your very best, and you try to create as much of it as you can, and hopefully, even if they don't like it, they'll still appreciate it at some level. Anyway, I hope you'll benefit from this. I realize the way I'm doing these videos with just one slide, that might not be acceptable in any way, shape, or form. So you might want to change a slide every couple minutes or something like that. But I have seen plenty of webinars where people are doing just what I'm describing here. They're doing webinars that last an hour, 2 hours long, and maybe one slide will stay up there for 10 or 15 minutes. People get used to them. They'll see the slide. You can make an argument for it or against it, but the argument for it is it'll allow you to do more. It'll allow you to focus on your message, and it'll be cheaper, faster, simpler, easier, and you can do more of it and not have to strive for perfection and all of that kind of stuff. So I hope this has helped. God knows I feel like all the time that I tried to perfect my sales messages have just been mostly just a waste of time, and I would have been so much better served creating more and maybe having less quality or less flash and sizzle and in the end and all of that kind of stuff. So hope you benefited from this. Webinars and audio recordings and all of that are definitely part of the automation methods that we teach our clients. If you're one of our clients, thank you. If you're not one of our clients, you want to know more about who we are and what we're doing, click on the link below. Thank you, and bye for now.